Monkeypox was first discovered in the 1950s, Africa, which is the only planet in our solar system not named after a Roman or a Greek god. Earth World Athletics Championships first took place in the year 1983. Which country hosted World Athletics Championships for the first time in 1983? Finland. The highest plateau of the world, Tibetan Plateau. Which team is most successful in Asia Cup? India. Dash mountaineer Adriana Brownlee becomes youngest to scale 9 peaks in July 2022. British. Siri Mavo Bandra Naik became first female head of government in modern history in 1960. She belonged Sri Lanka. Sirima Bandra Naik was the world's first female prime minister when she became Prime Minister of Sri Lanka on 21 July 1960. Which country topped expat insider rankings 2022? Mexico. The world's largest international organization and successor to the League of Nations is UNO. Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon on 20 July 1969. Which country hosted first BRICS grouping conference in 2009? Russia hosted first BRICS grouping conference in the year 2009. NATO had dash founding members 12. Which US convention has most signatories at its opening day? UN Convention on Persons with Disabilities. When was Apollo 11 was launched, carrying the first man to set foot on moon? July 1969. Which topped the Environmental Performance Index 2022? Denmark. Which country topped foreign direct investment for the year 2021? USA. The first nuclear test is carried out on 16 July 1945. Which country topped Global Gender Gap Index 2022? Iceland. Which country is on bottom in Global Gender Gap Index 2022? Afghanistan. When was the first Global Gender Gap Index published for the first time? 2006. Which is the most visited website in the world? Google. Which is the smallest flower in the world? Wolfia. What was the lowest temperature on earth recorded? 99.2. Which of the following passed the world's first Fair Repair Act? USA. When was French Open started? 1891. When was Wimbledon started? 1870. When was the first international award called Field Medal given? 1936. Which country topped Global Gender Gap Index 2021? Iceland. Which country is on bottom in Global Gender Gap Index 2021? Afghanistan. The earliest calculating device is Abacus, who became first player in history to win 80 matches in all 4 Grand Slams. Novak Djokovic. Which is the world's best student city in the QS Best Student Cities ranking? London. Which one of the following is the fastest, biggest and most expensive supercomputer? Which is the largest continent by population? Asia. Oldest human rights organization? Anti-Slavery International. Where has the world's largest bacteria discovered? Caribbean. Which country created a world record with one-day international score of 498 runs in June 2022? England. Which country topped Global Skills Report 2022? Switzerland. Which is the second largest salt producing country in the world after China? USA. Which is the largest salt producing country in the world? China. दुनिया की सबसे लंबी सरहद अमेरिका और डैश के दरमियान है? कनाडा के दरमियान। दुनिया का ऊंचा तरीन पहाड़ किस मुल्क में है? नेपाल में। दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा समंदर कौन सा है? बैरुल काहिल। The concept of citizens charters originated from which country? UK. The world's oldest continuously operating university in English speaking world is University of Bologna. In June 2022, scientists used satellite data to detect a major offshore leak of methane from which country? Mexico. Which city is the topper of global livable cities index 2022? Vienna. Which country's capital secured first position in global livable cities index 2022? Austria. Which country's capital has been ranked least livable city as per index released in June 2022? Syria. Who won the title of Miss World 2021? Carolina Bielowska. Carolina Bielowska. Which is the largest gold recycler in the world? China. World's largest freshwater fish has been caught in which country in 2022? Colombia. Where largest displacements in the context of disasters occurred in 2021? China. Which country started celebrating Music Day for the first time? France. Which country has the oldest crown prince in the world? Qatar. Hamad International Airport has been named as the world's best airport located in Qatar. Which airport has been named as best international airport in the world? Hamad International Airport. When the World Blood Donor Day was organized for the first time? 2005. Which country won Nobel Prize maximum times? USA. Who became the first president of Nepal in 2008? Ram Baran Yadev. When the World Creativity and Innovation Day was celebrated by UNGA for the first time? 2018. When the World Creativity and Innovation Day was celebrated by UNGA for the first time? 2018. Which country launched its first military exercise in space called Asterix? France. When United Nations observed World Oceans Day for the first time? 2009. Which country is going to conduct its first digital census in 2022? Bangladesh. When the first supreme leader of Iran, Ruhollah Khomeini passed away? When the first supreme leader of Iran, Ruhollah Khomeini passed away? June 1999. Which was the first computer made available for commercial use? UNIVAC. Fatima Jinnah is known as Madre Millat. Which is the largest importer of tea in the world? Pakistan. Which country has most players in the list of Cricket Hall of Fame? England. Which is the largest among the following? Galaxy. Which country has the most number of universities in the world? India. Which country has the largest labor force? China. Which country has the fastest supercomputer in the world? USA. Which is the fastest supercomputer in the world? Frontier. Who was the first American president to declare Jerusalem as capital of Israel? Harry S. Truman. When ancient period ended in the history? 476 AD. When the first Booker Prize was awarded? 2005. Robert Hooke discovered cells by observing them in a cork slice. Who was the first actor to win Oscar award? Emil Jennings. When the first Oscar award was given? 1929. Who is the highest paid CEO in the world in 2021? Elon Musk. Which country topped the Travel and Tourism Development Index 2021? Japan. Which airlines will become the first airline to use sun to liquid fuel to help power its flights? Swiss International Airlines. The longest total lunar eclipse of the 21st century occurred in July 2018. Who became first Muslim woman deputy mayor of British town? Jawab Tafheen Sharif. Which is the most traded product in the world? Oil. where world's longest pedestrian suspension bridge, Sky Bridge, opened to the public. Czech Republic. Which company made the world's fastest flying electric plane? Rolls-Royce. Which country opened world's longest glass bridge? White Dragon. Vietnam. Which became first African country to legalize the digital currency Bitcoin? Which became first African country to legalize the digital currency Bitcoin? Central African Republic. Who is the highest paid athlete in the world according to Forbes list of 2022? Lionel Messi. We dash going to be fine. और in an A-P A बराबर है 3, D बराबर है 6, N बराबर है 9, TN बराबर है नॉन 48 51 -51 नॉन जवाब नॉन. Which country launched biggest hydrogen fueled truck in May 2022? South Africa. Which country topped climate resilience index? USA. Which became first country to introduce mandatory monkeypox quarantine? जवाब Belgium. The first version of Java programming language was released in the year 1995. Where the longest canal of the world located? China. When was International Children's Day celebrated for the first time? 1954. Which country won 2022 Eurovision Song Contest? Ukraine. Which became world's top performing currency in 2022? Russian ruble. Who was the first president of United Arab Emirates? UAE. Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. Which country topped global crypto adoption index 2022? The USA. Which country inaugurated world's sea lock canal lock? The Netherlands. Who was the first person to reach Mount Everest? Both A and B. A. Sherpa Tenzing. Edmund Percival Hillary. Both A and B. Mount Everest was named after which of the following? George Everest. Which is the highest peak of Himalaya? Mount Everest. Which country is the world's biggest opium producer? Afghanistan. Which is the first country in the world to announce a ban on missile tests against space satellites? USA. When did Nelson Mandela become first black president of South Africa? 1994. Where is the biggest airport in the world? Is Saudi Arabia. The world highest mountain is in Nepal. The first Earth Day was observed in April 22 in the year 1970. Who is the youngest mountaineer to climb third highest mountain in the world? Shahroz Kashif. Which airline announced to launch longest non-stop passenger flight by 2025? Qantas. Which country hosted world's first vertiport for drones flying taxis in April 2022? UK. What country has the highest military expenditure for the year 2021? USA. What country has the second highest military expenditure for the year 2021? China. Which country topped World Press Freedom Index 2022? Norway. World's biggest electric cruise ship sets sail in which country? China. Who put the first satellite in space in 1957? Soviet Union. Who is called as the father of modern Olympic Games? Perry de Coubertin. Name the world's certified oldest person. Passed away in January 2023. लुसल रैंडन. सबसे बड़ा बरअज़म कौन सा है? एशिया. लॉन्गेस्ट सी ब्रिज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज़ लोकेटेड इन चाइना. Which one is the fastest sinking city in the world? Jakarta. The first camel hospital of the world is situated in the city of Dubai. Which was the first country to grant a citizenship to a robot? Saudi Arabia. Which among the following launched the first fully private astronaut mission to the International Space Station? SpaceX. Shenzhou 13 is the longest crewed space mission of which country? China, who is considered as citizen king of France, Louis Philippe. Which of the following tennis tournament is the oldest contest out of famous Grand Slam championships? Wimbledon. Which Pakistani politician hosted record-breaking Twitter rally in April 2022? Imran Khan. The first video on YouTube was uploaded on Dash 2005, 23 अप्रैल 2005. The world's largest security-oriented organization is OSCE. In 1831, the presence of nucleus in the cells was reported by Robert Brown. Which is the first computer virus in the world? Creeper. The first amount of energy in the universe is constant. किस मुल्क ने पहली मरतबा बढ़ापे की पेंशन मुतारफ़ कराई थी? जर्मनी. According to a recent report, which is the busiest airport in the world? Hartsfield Jackson International Airport, Atlanta. Penalty cards yellow-red used in football first introduced in which year? फुटबॉल में इस्तेमाल होने वाली पेनल्टी कार्ड्स पीला सुर्ख पहली बार किस साल में मुतारफ़ कराया गया? 1970 में. Which is the number 1 game in the world? Football. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Razia Sultana. Which is the warmest sea in the world? Red Sea. Which of the following is coldest capital city of the world? Ulaanbaatar. The height of Burj Khalifa is 828 meters. The quietest Rome place is situated in the country of USA. Which river passes through maximum number of countries? Danube. Which is the largest producer of saffron in the world? Iran. How many 100 years old city found in Iraq? 20. First Commonwealth Games were held in the country Canada. First Commonwealth Games were held in year 1930. River flows from most countries. Danube River. Who won most time Grand Slam? Rafael Nadal. Which is the tallest building in the world? Burj Khalifa. Which is the second tallest building in the world? Mardika 118. Which country's capital is known as White Marble City? Turkmenistan. International Labour Organization founded in the year 1919. Philippines and US started the largest ever Balikatan military drills in March 2022. USA. The largest source of pollution in the world is sewage and garbage. Which one of the following is the largest producer of rice in the world? Pakistan. In March 2022, Gabriel Boric became the youngest president of which country? Chile. Which country is called as land of mountains? Nepal. Which is the happiest nation in the world according to a report released recently? Finland. Katalin Novak has been elected the first female president of which country? Hungary. New Guinea is world's largest island. Second International Day of Women Judges was observed for the first time on 10th March 2022. Name the player who has created a new world record by jumping 6.19 meters high in the polo jumping competition. Mondo Duplantis. Who was the first to raise the issue of Islamophobia at the United Nations? Imran Khan. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus. The discoverer of smallpox vaccine is Edward Jenner. दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़लज़ले किस मुल्क में आते हैं? जापान. Where was the first G7 group of 7 summit held in 1975? France. The world's largest mobile phone fair Mobile World Congress held in March 2022 in which country? Spain. Which airline is going to become the first airline in the world to use solar fuel? Swiss Airlines. 29th parallel is between which two countries? USA and Canada. Who became the youngest player in the world to win the Rio Open Tennis ATP 2022? Carlos Alcaraz. Name the world's first country to approve plant-derived COVID-19 vaccine. Canada. First pig heart transplant patient died on the date of 8 March 2022. Which was the first country to introduce old age pensions? Germany. Who was the first man to set foot on all 5 continents? Captain Cook. Dash was the first international organization, League of Nations, in March 2022. Radwa Halmi became the first woman judge of which country's top court? Egypt. The first WHO Global Conference on Air Pollution and Health was held in which country? Switzerland. In which year the Nobel Prize was instituted? 1901. Who is the oldest person so far to have been awarded Nobel Prize and what was his age that time? Raymond Davis Jr. 88 years. Aaron Jackson has recently become the Aaron Jackson has recently become the first black woman speed skating medalist. She belongs the country USA. Which one is the warmest ocean? Indian Ocean. Dash became the first paperless government in the world? Dubai. Which is the first country in the world to make Bitcoin as legal currency? El Salvador. Which country its first exercise in space? France. According to a recent report, is the most polluted river in the world Ravi. Who compiled the first English dictionary? Samuel Johnson. Which country has been named most democratic country in the world in 2021? Norway. According to a recent report, the most congested city in the world is Istanbul. Dash cricket team becomes first team to play 1000 ODI matches? India. Who became the first person to have more than 400 million followers on Instagram? Cristiano Ronaldo.